Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to this lesson today where we're going to be going over and covering the offer wall. So in our sales funnel, what happens is after they've purchased our product and whether or not they've taken advantage of upsells or downsells, the offer wall is where they get to basically see a summary of everything that they purchased and get access to it. We can also do some other things with the offer wall page as well, and I'm going to show you that here today. So let's kind of take a look, and I'm going to show you some samples of offer wall pages that I've set up, and then we'll go in and actually start playing around with one. So here we can see, here's kind of a sample one as far as how it would look here. So we can see we want to tell them that their order is completed. I like to throw in a note to tell them to bookmark this page in case they ever need to get back to it. Right? Because when they click access purchase, it'll take them to however we have our product delivery set up. Right? We can also, underneath this, whereas you may also be interested in these. So this is where we would set up some additional either offers or funnels or things that we want them to check out. It could be 4 things. It could be just one thing. Maybe we have a link underneath here at the bottom with an image to get them to go register for our high ticket webinar. Right? Makes sense? Simple, right? So let's take a look at a couple others. Okay, so here is another one that I've got set up, so we can tell them, like I say, I like to have them bookmark this page, tell them congratulations. Then we have a video. I like to have a little walkthrough video as well that automatically starts playing. I've been playing around. I'm not sure if I want it to autoplay or have them hit play, but basically this video just walks them through. And all you have to do, the great part is just walk through, record yourself going through your page and accessing the product so that they can see how it's done here. So underneath the video, I have where they can access their product. I've got some additional tools that they can get a hold of and some free stuff that they can get as well. So I try to load this page up with as much as possible. I have a quick blurb about the guarantee as well, and then a button that they can click if they need to get any support or ask me any questions. Right? So next one that I've got here, this one's a little bit more plain, same type of thing. This one's got, you can see I've got this one set up in steps, right? So I want to tell them to access their order, watch this video, and get some more goodness from me. Make sense? Easy? So let's take a look and play around with the editor here. Okay, so in ClickFunnels, I would just create a new step, and I'm just going to call this one offer wall. So underneath here, I have to choose the type of page that I want here, and it's going to be under sales, and it is an order confirmation is how they have it labeled out here. So the great thing is they have a bunch of different templates for me to choose from and use however I want here. I can start with a template and go in and customize it. So this is a weird looking one. Let's go with this one. Once I've selected it, the type of template that I want, I'm just going to click edit page, go in here, and then start playing around with this, right? My product name, so I would change this, put in the name of, and the thing that they bought, let's say it was Sales Funnel Insanity, because that seems like a good name right about now. So here, again, as you can see, all we have to do is just customize elements however we want, right? Just change these texts to match whatever we need, put on our own custom stuff. Right? And you can see this one's kind of a nifty idea. Instead of getting them to go and sign up for a webinar or something else, we can get them to, after they bought, now to sign up and opt in for a newsletter, which is essentially getting them onto an email list. So lots of different ways that you can take and be creative inside these editors and customize sales funnels to meet whatever need that you want there. So easy or what? Jump into your editor, start playing around, create yourself an order wall page, and I will see you in the next video.